Tesla battery preconditioning is a system designed to optimize battery temperature for faster and more efficient DC fast charging, especially at supercharger stations. It warms or cools the battery pack to its ideal operating temperature range of 30 to 40 degrees Celsius or 86 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit before you arrive at a charging station. This ensures the battery can accept the maximum charging rate, up to 250 kilowatts on V4 superchargers for Model 3 and Model Y long-range and performance trims. Essentially, it's about getting your battery ready for a quick and healthy charge. Preconditioning significantly reduces charging times, especially in cold weather. Without it, a cold battery might take significantly longer to charge, potentially adding 30 to 45 minutes to your supercharger stop. By preconditioning, you ensure the battery can handle the high charging rates without risking damage or degradation. Expert tests show preconditioned batteries charge 40 to 60% faster. This comparison shows how preconditioning maintains higher charging power throughout the charge cycle, allowing faster stops at superchargers. It also reduces stress on the battery, potentially extending its lifespan by 10 to 15% over 5 years, as shown in this degradation study. Statistics show supercharger utilization increases by 25% due to preconditioning, making EV travel more efficient. There are two primary ways to activate Tesla battery preconditioning: automatic and manual. Automatic preconditioning activates when you navigate to a supercharger using your Tesla's in-car navigation system. The car automatically begins warming the battery as you approach the charging station. Manual preconditioning can be initiated by navigating to Charging greater than preconditioned battery on your car's touchscreen. You can also activate it through the Tesla app. Use manual preconditioning when you know you'll be charging soon but aren't navigating to a supercharger. During preconditioning, the Tesla's battery management system activates resistive heating elements or liquid cooling loops to bring the battery to the optimal temperature range of 30 to 40 degrees Celsius. This process draws power directly from the battery itself, which can reduce your vehicle's range by a slight 5 to 10%. However, the energy used is more than offset by the significantly faster charging speeds that preconditioning enables. Recent software updates, such as version 12.5.1, have made this process more efficient and seamlessly integrated it with the vehicle's navigation system. The preconditioning works through the battery's internal systems, as shown in this detailed diagram. A real-world test by EV expert Bjorn Nyland demonstrated the effectiveness of preconditioning. A Model Y long-range starting with a battery at 5 degrees Celsius took 45 minutes to charge to 80% without preconditioning. With preconditioning activated, the same charge took only 22 minutes at a V4 supercharger, reaching peak charging rates of 250 kilowatts. This highlights the significant time savings you can achieve. Tesla's internal studies show that preconditioning can reduce total travel time by 15–25% on long journeys. This is because shorter charging stops accumulate over the entire trip. For example, on a long haul from Los Angeles to New York City, the time saved by preconditioning at each supercharger stop adds up to a substantial reduction in overall travel time. One user reported manually preconditioning in snowy conditions, maintaining charging speeds above 100 kilowatts. For the best results, start navigating to the supercharger at least 20 to 30 minutes before you expect to arrive, especially in very cold weather. Be aware that preconditioning consumes energy and slightly reduces range, so factor that into your trip planning. While preconditioning is most beneficial for DC fast charging, it's generally not needed for slower AC charging at home unless ambient temperatures are extremely low. Monitor your energy consumption and adjust your preconditioning habits accordingly. The future of EV battery preconditioning is evolving rapidly, with trends pointing toward greater automation and seamless integration with smart grids. Automation is becoming more sophisticated, with preconditioning systems integrating directly with smart grids to optimize energy use and reduce grid strain. Tesla's preconditioning technology is influencing competitors like Ford and Hyundai, who are now incorporating similar features in their electric vehicles to improve charging efficiency. Vehicle-to-grid systems are emerging to optimize preconditioning by using off-peak grid power, potentially reducing energy costs and emissions through more efficient thermal management. With the development of solid-state batteries and ultra-fast charging technologies expected by 2027-2030, preconditioning might become less crucial as these new systems offer better thermal stability. Expect AI-driven preconditioning systems that intelligently predict weather conditions and traffic patterns, optimizing energy use and making the process even more efficient. Overall, continued advancements in battery thermal management will enhance battery health, extend lifespan, and improve charging efficiency across all electric vehicles. As electric vehicle technology continues to evolve, battery preconditioning will remain an important feature, adapting to new innovations and helping make EVs more efficient and practical for everyone.